Macele knows Musamseleku more than other wives. Macele knows that Musamseleku loves Mayeni more than other wives. She knows that Musamseleku doesn't love Makumalo because they stay together for a long time. Every time Musamseleku, when he had a conversation with Macele, he want to involve Mayeni's name. I remember Musamseleku and Macele, they had a conversation about their wedding. So Musamseleku involved Mayeni's name. Macele got angry. Even he was preparing their wedding at the same time. But there is no need Musamseleku to involve Mayeni's name like Macele was the one who get married to Mayeni. I don't understand because he loves Mayeni. You know that sometimes every time Musamseleku, when he had a conversation with his wives, he want to involve Mayeni or to talk good things about Mayeni. Musamseleku, when it comes to Mayeni, he can't live without him. That's why you saw Macele want to fix things with Mayeni. When Mayeni was at her parents' house, Musamseleku was admitted. Macele knows the truth that Musamseleku get admitted because of Mayeni. He had a depression and he got admitted. That's why Macele was trying to fix things. Macele knows that when Mayeni came back, Musamseleku is going to be well because she was doing it to save her husband. Macele knows Musamseleku very well more than other wives, even that he doesn't love Makumalo. That's why you saw Macele doesn't care much about Makumalo or to be at her umembeso because she knows that Musamseleku maybe was being forced to be on that umembeso. What Macele knows a lot because she asked Musamseleku that why you didn't force us to attend that umembeso if he was really serious, or to buy an outfit to go to at her wedding. You don't love her. Macele told Musamseleku that you don't love Makumalo. That's why you saw Macele, when it comes to Makumalo, she didn't take it serious like she is doing it for Mangwabe and Mayeni. So sometimes, guys, it's better. You know that people, when they stay together for a long time, she is already know her husband more than other wives because they spend time together. They know how they can talk. Macele knows Musamseleku's action. Even when he is starting dating another person, Macele knows him very well. So, guys, when it comes to Mayeni, what I saw, Musamseleku loves Mayeni. Macele he had a discussion with Musamseleku on season 8 because Musamseleku was in fear to lose Mayeni again. And after the trip, Macele tried to discuss with Musamseleku about Makwela. Musamseleku told Macele that we have to involve Mayeni because when it comes to Mayeni, maybe she says everything, you have to update me. Mayeni, you understand? That issue makes them fight on that family dinner. And Musamselek, when it comes to Mayeni, when she complained about that issue, Musamseleku can be angry at that time, but at the short time he can try to fix that. Guys, Makumalo have to saw a man who loves you, who loves Mayeni. You understand? When it comes to Mayeni, Musamseleku and Mayeni, Musamseleku can got angry to Mayeni. Even he was wrong, he can't say he was wrong at that time. But after, he can start defending Mayeni at the side. Understand? But when it comes to Makumalo, he can't do it. So Macele knows Musamseleku the truth. That's why when it comes to Mayeni, Macele doesn't want to mention Mayeni's name or to say bad things about Mayeni because Musamseleku doesn't want anyone who can say bad things about Mayeni. But when it comes to Makumalo, Musamseleku can allow Mayeni to say because he doesn't love you. Guys, a man who doesn't love you, people can talk bad about you. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to him. But someone who can say bad things about Mayeni, you saw Makumalo says Mayeni is delusional. He stand up and trying to fight for her. But when it comes to Makhumalo, Macele expose Makhumalo about her child. Musamseleku doesn't do anything.